Hello everybody, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. It's late. It's actually early. No, it's late. It's actually 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:08 a.m. I was on the phone with a friend for a while, so I'm getting everything done fairly late. So I walked outside because I saw a possum, and I went to bury a little baby chick that was murdered today. And as soon as I walked outside, behind my property, somebody set off fireworks at 3:08 a.m. So I'm actually walking up the hill to my property. I haven't walked this route with you guys. This is another portion of the property. This is actually where I lived in my car for 6 weeks. But my property up here adjourns my criminal neighbor's property. And I think it's funny to light fireworks at 3 o'clock in the morning. Because they're criminals. And they don't care about anybody but themselves. And I'm walking up here now, and I'm finding all this debris up here. All these tree branches that have fallen down from somewhere. And this is what they do also. They filthy and litter my property. I don't know anyone else around here that has as many branches falling on their property. I also don't know anyone else around here that cleans their property as much as I do. Now, branches fall. They absolutely do. But with the use of directed energy weapons, somebody can target a tree, a branch, a limb, a human, at will, to destroy it. And that's what these criminals do. Because they don't care. They're envious, jealous, greedy. And I'm seeing branches all over the place here. But this is also the area where that noble landworks destroyed my property. You can see the big mess he left here. Huge mess. Because he was negotiating behind my back with my neighbors. This is the mess he left back here. There's even a bigger mess up there. But this is exactly where I heard the fireworks coming from, back in here. And this is for documentation purposes, because nobody should be lighting fireworks at 3:08 a.m. for any reason. Whether it's against the law or not, whether there's an ordinance about it or not, nobody should be lighting fireworks at 3 o'clock in the morning. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading, signing off for now.